Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to automate your workflow by creating ClickUp tasks directly from Slack using N8N. This end-to-end flow will save you tons of time, so let's get into the step-by-step setup. Step 1. Accessing N8N templates. First, head over to the N8N website and log into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Templates. This opens up a library of pre-designed workflows that we can customize. Step 2. Finding the right workflow. In the search bar, make sure to clear any existing filter tags by clicking the X icon so you have an unrestricted search. Type in Create Task in ClickUp and press Enter. You'll see a list of matching templates. Select the one that best fits your specific requirements, and once you've picked it, click Use for Free to import it into your cloud workspace. Step 3. Configuring your integrations. Now that the template is in your environment, you'll be prompted to set up the necessary integrations. You will need to link your Slack app and your ClickUp API to N8N. This process involves providing authentication tokens so the services can communicate securely via API calls. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, as proper configuration is essential for the automation to run smoothly. Step 4. Setting up the automation logic. The heart of this flow is a Slack / command, like Create ClickUp Task. When you run this in Slack, it sends a request to an N8N webhook URL. N8N then processes that data and uses the ClickUp API to generate a new task. You can configure it to automatically include details like the title, description, start date, and assignee. Finally, Step 5. Saving and testing. Once everything is configured, click the Save button in the top right corner to secure the workflow in your workspace. Finally, run a test command from Slack to verify that a new task appears in ClickUp with all the correct details. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.